Morning students. Today we see about the Essay 1 revision portions. Okay. What are the portions we have in the Essay 1 exam? Measurement, matter around us, microorganisms. Okay. How many marks you write the exam? Totally 18 marks. Okay. Now I am saying the blueprint. Choose the correct answer. 5 choose. Each one carrying 5 marks. Total 5. Fill in the blanks. 5 marks. Say true or false, 5 mark. Match the following, 5 mark. 1 or 2 words, take into 1, 10 mark. Totally 1 word only, you having 30 marks. Okay. And answer the following 10 shots. That's that answer. Each one carrying 3 mark, totally 30 marks. Okay. Answer in detail, 4 questions. Each question having 5 mark, totally 20. So, detail answer 20 mark, totally 50 marks you having. Okay. Now we see the first lesson, measurement lesson. First we see the measurement lesson. Yes, what is mean by measurement? Measurement is the process of finding unknown quantity, unknown physical quantity by using the standard quantity. What is mean by measurement? Measurement is the process of finding unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantities. Okay, we need 3 instruments to measure the perfect measurement. One is instrument, standard quantity and acceptable unit, isn't it? Next, system of units. People in various parts of the world are using a different system for measuring for the measurements. Okay, FBS, CGS and MKS, isn't it? FBS, F for foot for length, pound for mass, S for second. CGS, C for centimeter for length, G for gram for mass and S for second. MKS, meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time. And also we seen the SI unit of the SI units, isn't it? There are 7 fundamental quantities. Okay, what are them? Means length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. And also we see the symbols and the unit also, isn't it? Next one is the temperature. What does mean by temperature? A temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The perfect definition for the temperature is a temperature is measure the average kinetic energy of the particle in a system. Isn't it? The SI unit of the temperature is Kelvin. Okay. Some other unit to measure the temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. And also seen the what is the boiling point and what is the melting point. Boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. Melting point of the ice is 0 degrees Celsius. And also we see in the formula to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit into Kelvin. Isn't it? Next one is the electric current. What does mean by electric current? The flow of electric charges in the particular direction is known as the electric current. The SI unit of the electric current is ampere. The symbol is A. Okay. Next one is the amount of substance. What does mean by amount? Amount of substance is measure the number of entities. What does mean by entities? Means particles present in a substance. The entity may be atom, molecules or ions, electrons or protons. The SI unit of the amount of substance is mole. The symbol is MOL. What does mean by mole? Define mole. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles, entities. So next one is the luminous intensity. What does mean by luminous intensity? Means the measure of power is emitted by a light source. The measure of power emitted by a light source. It is called in a particular direction. It is called the luminous intensity. The SI unit of the luminous intensity is candela. The symbol is CD. And also we see in the plane angle and solid angle. The SI unit of the plane angle is radian. The SI unit of the solid angle is steradian. Okay. What does mean by plane angle? Angle between the intersection of 2 planes only. Solid angles means angle between the intersection of 2 or more planes. Okay. The plane angle is a two-dimensional Solid angle is a three-dimensional. The unit is radian. This unit is steradian. Okay, and types of clocks also we see in the first lesson. Okay, I think all are clear about the first lesson, measurement lesson. Now we go to the evaluation textbook exercise, because we having choose, fill ups, true or false, match, one or two words, answer the following, answer detail. Okay, so the first lesson book evaluation questions. All are take the first lesson book evaluation question. Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following system unit in the British system of unit? Which one? FBS. Okay. Next, electrical current belongs to dash quantity. Base quantity or direct quantity? Base quantities. Okay. SI unit of the temperature is Kelvin. The amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Next, luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. Next one is, which one of the following device is used to measure the electric current? There are four pictures is there. Inside the picture, you see that A. The option is B. The option is B. SI unit stands for International System of Unit. SI unit stands for International. SI unit means International System of Units. Next, closeness of two or more measured values is called precisions. Okay. Next, the quantity other than the base quantity are called derived quantities. Which of the following statements above the approximation is wrong? Approximation gives accurate value. Students, I teach the old book. If you having a new book means very less questions. Okay, this questions is the less questions are comes in the old chapter, cover in the old chapter. Don't confuse. Okay, I revised old book. Okay, fill in the blanks. The solid angle is measured in steradian. The solid angle is measured in steradian. Next, DAS recognize the need of standard unit or physical quantities. Scientist. The closeness or hardness of a substance is expressed by temperature. DAS is used to measure electric current. Ammeter. DAS substance contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules, 1 mole. Luminous intensity is the amount of visible light that is emitted in a unit area per unit is solid angle. Quartz clock is uses electronic oscillations. Uncertainty in the measurement is called error. DAS is closeness of the measured value to the original value, accuracy. The intersection of two straight lines gives a plane angle. Yes, next, true or false? The temperature is measure of total kinetic energy of the particle is no, total is wrong. Average is correct. So average. So this one is false. 1 coulomb of charge flowing per unit area is ampere. Per minute is wrong. In that place, what comes means second. So this one also false. Amount of substance gives the number of particles present in the substance. Is correct, true. Next, the intensity of light from the candela is approximately equal to 1 candela. Correct. The angle formed at the top of a cone is on an example of plane angle. No, the top of the cone, the angle formed the top of the cone means that is a solid angle. They given a plane angle, so that one also false. A quartz clock are used in GPS. No, the quartz clock are used in a atomic clock, so that one is also false. The number 4.582 can round off 4.58. Yes, true. Next, Roman letter is match the following. The temperature, it is the correct answer. Measures of hardness or coldness. Plane angle, the angle formed intersection of two planes. Solid angle, angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes. Accuracy, closeness to the actual value. Next, precision, measures of closeness to the 2 or more measurement. I think all are written in your book. Already I am teaching the evaluation question. Just you follow. After that you read it. Next, Roman letter 6. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Okay, 7. What are they? Length, mass, second, temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Yes, 7 quantities. Next, give the name of the instrument used to measure the used for measurement of the temperature. Thermometer. What is the instrument used to measure? Thermometer. Next one. What is the lower fixed point of the Fahrenheit? Okay, there are 3 scales to measure the temperature. No, Kelvin scale, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. All these 3 scales having lower fixed point and upper fixed point. So, in your questions, what they are asking? Lower fixed point of the Fahrenheit. Okay, so 32 degree Fahrenheit. So, upper one is 212. What they are asking? Lower fixed point. The answer is 32 degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit. The next question is, what is the SI unit of the luminous intensity? Yes, all are clear about this one. Candela. The symbol is CD. Okay. Next one is what is the value of Avogadro number? Nothing but the mole. 1 mole is the Avogadro number. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 10 to the power of 23. This is called the Avogadro number. What type of oscillation are used in the atomic clock? Periodic vibration. Mention the types of clock based on the display, analog clock and digital clock. How many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? How many times will the minute hand to rotate in 1 hour? Means only 1 time. What is the answer? Only 1 time. The next one is, how many hours are there in 1 minute? How many hours are there in 1 minute? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. You cancel that. We having answer 0.0167 hours. Yes, this is the 1 or 2 words. Next Roman letter is answer the following. What is measurement? Already I explained in the previous class, and also I am explained the starting of the class also. You read the Roman letter 6 all the questions, and Roman letter 7 answer in detail 2 questions. Types of clocks and list of the base quantity with their units. 7 fundamental quantities, and write the units and write the symbols also. Okay, I think all are clear about the first lesson. Read well. Okay, next lesson, matter around us. Yes, what is mean by matter? Nothing but in the universe is all the things is made up of a matter. Okay, the matter can be defined as anything which occupies space. The matter is, what is the definition for the matter? Matter can be defined as anything which occupies space, a volume and mass. Okay, so the matter in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. Okay, solid, liquid and gaseous state. Solid means stone, sand, iron, etc. Liquid, water, milk, fruit juice. Gases, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Okay, next, how the matter is composed. The matter in the physical state is composed of the smallest particle of atoms, molecules and ions. What is mean by atom? Atom is the smallest particle of the element which exhibit all the properties of that element. Next, molecule, atom of the same element or different element combined to form a molecule. What does mean by molecule? Atom of the same element or different element combined to form a molecule. What does mean by ion? Atom or group of atoms having a charge. What charge? Positive or negative charge. That is called the ion. If the atom having a positive charge means it is called a positive ion. If the atom of having a negative charge means it is called the negative ions. Why we use the symbol? For the easy representation we use the symbols. Many symbols we see in that class. Greek symbol, alchemist symbol, Dalton symbol and pictorial symbols. Basilius symbols. Okay. In the symbols, important question is alchemist symbols. What does mean by alchemy? Okay. Those people try to change less valuable metal into gold. that is called the alchemy. Who done the work, it is called the alchemist. Okay, I think clear about this one also. Next we see the metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. The elements are divided into metal, metalloids and non-metals. Metals, non-metal and metalloids. Metals like iron, copper, gold, silver. Okay, we use in a daily life. Okay, daily life. Physical properties of metal. Physical state, hardness, luster, density, melting point and boiling point, tensile strength, malleability, ductility and conductivity. Okay, in this physical properties, each property may come for a 2 mark. Each properties come for a 2 mark. Study well. Okay, what is mean by physical property means? Physical state means metal or solid under normal condition of the temperature. Mercury is liquid at normal temperature because mercury is non-metal. Okay, so the mercury in liquid at room temperature. Element like cesium, rubidium, francium, gallium become liquid just above the room temperature. Hardness. Metal or hard. Okay, most of the metals are hard. Exception sodium and potassium. Sodium, potassium is a metal, but it is soft. Exception case. Okay, all the metals are hard, but exception case is sodium and potassium. Next, luster means shiny appearance. It give a shiny appearance. All the metals give a shiny appearance. Some exception cases there. Calcium is exception case. Calcium is dull in appearance. Next, density. All the metals having a high density. Sodium and potassium only having low density. That is exception case. Melting and boiling point. Metals all are having high melting and high boiling point. Some exception cases also there for sodium, potassium and mercury and gallium. Next, tensile strength. Metals are having a capacity to withstand. This is a 2 marker, right? Define tensile strength. Metals having a capacity to withstand strain without breaking. This property is called the tensile strength. Malleability means metals can be hammered into thin sheet. Ductility means thin wire. Malleability na thin sheet. Ductility means thin wire. Okay. Next, conductivity means most of the metals having a good conductor of heat and electricity. Sonorous means giving a sound. When you hammer the metals, it gives some sound. Okay, that is called the sonorous. Non-metals. This non-metals also having a physical properties. Same way, the 10 properties. Physical state, hardness, luster, density, melting and boiling point, tensile strength and malleability. Read that one. Next one is the uses of metals and non-metals. Metals, iron used to make bridges, construct the bridges. Copper used for making electrical wire, coin and statue. Silver and gold used for the decorative property and using the jewelries. Next one, mercury. Mercury is used in the thermometer and barometer because of high density and uniform expansions. Aluminium is used in the aeroplanes. Lead is used in the automobiles. Okay. A non-metal, diamond. Diamond is using for jewels, cutting and grinding equipments. Graphite is used in the pencil. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of gunpowder and waxing rubber. Okay, what does mean by metalloids? Means the metalloids are having a property both metal and non-metals. Classification of compound. What does mean by compound? Compound is a pure substance is formed due to the chemical combination of 2 or more elements. Okay, the compound are classified into 2 types, organic and inorganic. Okay, last class you see this one. Now we see the evaluation question. What is matter is composed of atom, molecules, ions, both 3. And the liquid metal used in the thermometer, mercury. The liquid metal used in the thermometer, mercury. Why we use the mercury? Because of the low density and the proper expansion, uniform expansion. Then only we using the mercury in the thermometer. Okay, next question. The pictorial symbol of the water is this symbol. Pictorial symbols. Next one, which one of the element name not derived from planet? Mercury, plutonium, uranium is the planet name. Mercury, plutonium, Neptunium, uranium having a planet name. Mercury only wrong. So the answer is Mercury. Symbol for Mercury is Hg. Next one is a form of non-metal which has a high ductility, carbon. Next, which one of the non-metal possesses low tensile strength? Zinc. The property which allow metal to hammer into thin sheet means malleability. Thin wire means ductility. The non-metal which conduct current? Carbon. Pencil lead contains graphite. Next, we see the fill in the blanks. The element which possesses the character of both metal and non-metal means metalloids. The symbol of tungsten is W. Symbol of tungsten is W. Melting point of the most metal is higher than the non-metal because the melting point, all the metals having high melting point. Water contains, what are the water contain? Hydrogen and oxygen element. Hydrogen and oxygen. Next one is DAS is used in the semiconductor industry. Silicon. Silicon is a metalloids used in the semiconductor industries. Next, true or false? Metals are generally poor conductor of electricity but not good conductor of heat. Metal, good conductor of heat and electricity. So this one is false. Gallium metal in the solid state are just above the room temperature. False. Compound can be made up of one atom. No, one or more atoms. So this one also false. Coal can be drawn into thin wire. No. If you hammer means it will powder. So this one also false. Zinc is high ductility in nature. Yes, false this one. Next one is the match the following. Iron, sieving needle. Copper for making a wires. Tungsten, making a filament of a bulb. Boron as a fuel for ignition rocket. Next, Roman letter 5. What is ductility? Write the constituent element. Carbon monoxide, CO. What are the elements present in there? Carbon and oxygen. Washing soda. Write it. Okay, see the short answer and detail. Next lesson, microorganism lesson. Next lesson is the microorganisms. Yes, what is mean by microorganisms? We can see the microorganism with our naked eye? No, we cannot see the microorganism with our naked eye. With the help of microscope only we can see the microorganism. Various microorganism we see it. Okay, virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. First one is the virus. Virus is a tiny particle made up of a genetic material and protein. They are intermediate between living and non-living character. Virus means poison in Latin word. Okay, the study of virus is called a virology. The virus are 10,000 times smaller than the bacteria. There are different types of shapes of virus, rod, spherical and some other shapes. The structure of virus. Virus contain DNA and RNA surrounding the core of protein coat. In some virus, a protein coat is covered by the envelope of protein, lipids and carbohydrates. Virus shows both living and non-living character. Virus shows both living and non-living characters. And also we see in the many diagram bacteriophage, influenza and tobacco mosaic virus. Next one is the bacteria. Bacteria is a single cell prokaryotic organism. What does mean by prokaryotic? Means pro means not well defined, not true nucleus. Karyotic means nucleus. Yes, not well defined. Not well defined nucleus. Okay. Next one is the study of bacteria is called a bacteriology. The study of bacteria is called the bacteriology. The bacteria comes under the kingdom Monera. The next one is the range of the bacteria is 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. This symbol is micrometer. 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. The bacteria are divided due to the respiration, the aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria means they need oxygen for respiration. Anaerobic means they do not need information. Okay, the cell structure they given. Okay, the cell structure of bacteria they given. Where the outer covering is known as cell wall. The nuclear material is represented by the nuclear without nuclear membrane. The extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid. Okay, the protein synthesis is 70 as ribosomes. The other cell organisms present, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Flagella. For the locomotion, this is the flagella. Why the flagella is having? For the locomotion, to move one place to another place for searching a food The bacteria are divided based on the shape. The bacteria are divided into 4 types: bacilli, spirillate, cocci, and vibrio. Based on the flagella, based on the shape, the bacteria are divided into 4 types. Shapes. Okay, based on the flagella, the bacteria are divided into 5 types. Okay, one is monotrichous. The bacteria having only one flagella at one end, it is called the monotrichous. Mono means one. Next one is the leptotrichous. Leptotrichous means the flagella, the top of the flagella. Many flagellas are having at one end, it is called the leptotrichous, that is top of bacteria at one end. Next one is the amphitrichous. Amphitrichous means the bacteria having both the end only one flagella. Both end having only one flagella, that is called the amphitrichous. Next one is the peritrichous, means the bacteria having all the flagella having all the sides, that is called the peritrichous. Next one is the atrichous, means the bacteria having without flagella, there is no flagella, that is called the atrichous. Next one is the alga. What does mean alga means? The alga, what is the color of the alga? It is a green in color. They prepare their own food. The study of alga is called the phycology. The study of alga is called the phycology. The alga, where is the place of the alga is moist in habitat. It is called the grass of water. Okay, they having a pigment chlorophyll. Cell structure glaminomonas. We see in the glaminomonas, the early class. Next one is the fungi. And the fungi is the eukaryotic organisms. They lack of chlorophyll. So they do not prepare their own food. Okay, the unicellular alga fungi is the multicellular fungi is Penicillium. It live in all kind of habitat. They come under the kingdom fungi. Okay, cell structure they given yeast. Next one is the protozoa. Protos means first, zoon means animals. It is a eukaryotic organism. It comes under the kingdom Procista. The study of protozoa is called the protozoology. The range is 2 to 2 microns. Okay, many we see the many diagrams in the class teaching. One is protozoa, plasmodium, paramecium and euglena. Okay, they giving a cell structure of amoeba. The microorganism uses in medicine, antibiotic and vaccine. What is mean by antibiotic? Anti means against. Antibiotic is a substance produced by one living organism. It's toxin for the another one living organism. Vaccine, who first coined the antibiotics means Alexander Fleming. The first person to discover the antibiotic penicillin in year 1928. Next one is the vaccine. Vaccine is performed at death or weakened the living organism. Who discovered means Edward Jenner. Okay, he coined the word vaccination, and some vaccination is MMR, PCG. Okay, next one is the agriculture used in the microorganism used in agriculture, natural fertilizer, nitrogen fixation and biological control agent. Next, in industries, sewage treatment, production of biogas, production of alcohol and wine, microbial strengthening and turning process. In daily life, making a bread, preparation of curd and cottage dishes in human industries, and some harmful microorganisms also present. And we see in the last class. Now we see the textbook exercise. Microorganisms are measured in Micron, dash shows both living and non-living character. Virus, dash the prokaryotic microorganism bacteria. Based on the shape, the bacteria are classified into 4 types. Okay, and the plant body of alga is thallus. The plant body of the alga is thallus. Next one is the fill in the blanks. Dash prepared from the mold called penicillium. Penicillin. Okay. Dash are the infection proteins particle, prions. The infect virus particle found outside the coastal prion. The microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. Bacteria which have flagellum at one end is called a monotrichous. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. What? Rhizobium, tuberculosis, bacteria. Next, puru, prion, probiotics, lactobacillus acidophilus. Next one, Edward Jenner vaccine. Next, see the true or false. Disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. True. Female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of dengue fever. No. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. Yes, true. Citrus canker is transmitted by insects. False. Why? Yeast is used in large scale production of alcohol. Yes, correct. Next, see the very short answer. Write the name of any nitrogen rhizobium. Name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Acetobacteria acetic. Write the names of any 3 protozoans. Amoeba, Plasmodium and Paramecium. Who discovered the penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which disease can be prevented by vaccination? Smallpox, polio, measles, mumps and rubella, tuberculosis. Listen students, in microorganism I am teach only protozoa. In that portion only I am taking the questions. Don't confuse. Okay. Next videos I teach the remaining portion. Okay. Don't confuse and teach only protozoa. Till that portion only I am taking the question. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching the video. Read all the questions. If you want 80 out of 80, read the additional questions also. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.